It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 419, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Bristol, Massachusetts, and the following counties in Rhode Island, Bristol, Kent, Newport, Providence, and Washington, and the following marine locations: Narragansett Bay and Block Island Sound. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now the true battle begins. Failure is not an option.